You guys need a hand? Like sucks when I don't have a kickstand. You guys think you got it or you need some help? I think we can get it. Okay. No problem. $10 this can't make it through the bike. Yeah, $100. It's still chilly. I don't think I'm doing that today. uphill it looks a lot different.
Yeah, we were behind the two guys on Honda, one little kid. That's my problem. I get turned around in here.
I do too. I don't know where I'm at.
This park looks crazy different when you're going at it backwards, like a route like that.
Yeah.
Right now, the top of this hill is, you can see the water over there, and that middle track that I talk about is right to your right.
Hey, we're on this hill?
Not this year I haven't, but I have in the past.
Is it hard?
No, the only thing is the top, there's not a lot of runoff, so don't air it out.
That's the shit I don't like
Yeah,
about
you
it.
don't know. I hate it coming over that one.
There's a couple here. You come up, if you air it out at the top, dude, you're gonna die, man. You go off the other side, it drops down.
They need to put a sign right there.
Yeah.
And it was, God, what was it? It was kind of by that small bowl, not the real big one.
Yeah.
And there's some trails that loop up around and got like, come up over it and it was in dust, so the sun was right in the way.
And you can't see nothing.
And there was like a 180-degree turn right up at the top
Yep.
road, going over into the fucking lake.
Yeah. No, there's many people that have gotten broken collarbones, that kind of junk, say come to the top, there's nowhere to go.
Yep.
And that's why up here I'm a big fan of. If you don't know where the top is, roll the top of that thing. Rip up, and if you get top, take your brakes and slow that baby down. I've crashed a handful of times where I chicken out and I stop. I didn't roll my front car over it, next thing I know, I'll go back down. You guys ready? You want to lead or do you want to follow? Utter bullshit. Luckily I avoided it because I saw the junk was crazy looking.